Hi, this is Gary Kayye. I'm here with Kurt DeYoung, as VP of Channels at Barco. You guys know Barco for the ClickShare.
Yep.
Speaking of which, you launched a couple of new products in the last month.
We did, yeah. We launched a couple of new innovations this year. January 24th, we have some new announcements coming out March 28th. So take a look at our social media feeds and you'll see a lot of information. But the major things that we're launching this year are the XMS Cloud, the XMS Edge, which is a management portal. We've launched the ClickShare app, which is going to be publicly available on April 1st. And we've launched the CSE 200 Plus as a new hybrid between the CSE 200 and the 800 platforms for larger rooms. And we've launched the CS 100 Huddle, which is really designed specifically for huddle spaces.
Yeah, so the CS 100 Huddle, it doesn't have a button. This is the first ClickShare without a button, but it can use buttons, right?
Yes, it can use buttons. It doesn't ship directly with a button as a standard SKU.
So it's designed to be used with your app, and then also with if you're on the same Wi-Fi network as the device that the device creates, and obviously you're connected, which is fine with the same with all your ClickShares. Of course, this ClickShare, the CSE 200 Plus, ships with 4 buttons, but also the E means enterprise level security, right?
Exactly. So our design principle is a little bit different with any of our E-based products. Security is different, more stringent, and then the management capabilities are significantly better as well.
Yeah, and it's this is 4K output, 4K. And it also has an additional HDMI input, so it sort of acts like a switcher as well. You can add another source to it.
Yep.
So let me ask you, you've got a lot more competition now in this. I mean, back in 2012, 13, you were it. And then about 14, 15, you had a couple of companies come in. The last year, quite a few companies have come in and started to compete with you. Obviously, one of your differentiations is you've been in the industry the longest. So tell me about a few of the others.
Well, we still feel like we've got the full breadth of products, and we offer the best experience for the user, whether the user is a company employee and very familiar with the systems that are there, or someone from an external organization that's coming in and meeting, and the button is a very intuitive experience for people. So we still feel like we have a good breadth of product. We have 5 models in the family today. They range anywhere from, at the low end, $750 up to a more expensive CSE 800 for the boardroom application. But broad product line, great security. We actually got our ISO certification for security in our development processes and our software development processes, which is fantastic. And with the addition of the app, it really has kind of completed the product line. So we're very excited.
And all of it's at barco.com/ClickShare. One other question. Now, you've integrated WePresent into the product now, and it seems to be more geared towards the educational segment of the market. Is that sort of how it's breaking out?
That's correct. I think our development tracks are really different for those different use cases. So education has a very specific set of workflows, very specific needs from a technical perspective, and we've stood up our dedicated development team to get into those issues, make sure we're making the right product for the right market. And then ClickShare has always been highly used in the corporate environment. We still see educational institutions that do select ClickShare as their platform, but the development tracks are really different at this point. Yeah,
so again, all of it's at barco.com/ClickShare, and actually at barco.com you can see the WePresent product line. And then last question is on WeConnect. Yep. A couple of years ago you launched a product called WeConnect. It was geared more exclusively towards higher education. Yes. It seemed like at ISE you sort of relaunched that product again.
We did, and we're excited about that. I think the proliferation of distance learning applications within the university systems here, we've been trialing it in Europe in a number of different live applications and live customer sites, and it's gotten to be a very, very stable platform. So we're excited about bringing it back into the US market. We'll be showing it next week at Enterprise Connect as one of the first US shows. We're going to show that again here in the US, and we'll have it in our booth at Infocom as well. And we feel like it's one of the better distance learning solutions that's on the market today.
All right, so it's all at barco.com. Of course, we went around, we actually shot videos on each of these products here at the E4 Experience. You can check out all those videos at raypubs.com/E4. Kurt, thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.